Today, we're exploring the journey of Andre Rison, the explosive wide receiver who became one of the NFL's most dynamic and controversial stars in the 1990s. Known for his Pro Bowl talent and volatile off-field life, his career was marked by incredible catches, public altercations, and an infamous relationship with the late Lisa "Left Eye" Lopes of TLC. So, where is Andre Rison now? Let's find out. Andre Rison spent 12 seasons in the NFL, primarily with the Atlanta Falcons, where he earned 4 of his 5 Pro Bowl selections and his only Super Bowl ring as a member of the 1996 Green Bay Packers. He was a force on the field, but his life was often more famous for what happened off it. His turbulent relationship with singer Lisa "Left Eye" Lopes made national headlines, most notably when she famously burned down his Atlanta mansion in 1994 during a domestic dispute. After retiring from the NFL in 2000, Rison's struggles continued with financial issues, a brief prison sentence for unpaid child support in 2007, and a public battle with drug addiction. After years of fighting his demons, Rison embarked on a career in coaching. He started in the Arena Football League before moving to the high school level in 2011, eventually becoming the head coach at Flint Northwestern and then Flint Southwestern Academy in Michigan. His coaching efforts were featured in an episode of the CNN series The United Shades of America, where he was praised for working to help his community and local youth. He later transitioned back to the NFL, serving as an assistant coach for the Kansas City Chiefs as part of a coaching fellowship in 2018. Where is Andre Rison now? As of now, Andre Rison is focused on a career in sports, commentary, and broadcasting, while continuing to mentor young athletes. He has recently served as a color analyst for a podcast called The NFL Thread, where he shares his insights on the current state of the game. In 2025, Rison made several public appearances and interviews. He participated in the NFL Legends Community, a program that helps former players transition to life after football and stay connected to the game. In a November 2025 interview, he reflected on his former relationship with Left Eye Lopes, revealing that he still loved her until the day she died in 2002, and expressing regret over their shared struggles. He stated his commitment to sharing his story to help young athletes avoid the same pitfalls he experienced. In a September 2025 interview, he spoke about the importance of mental health awareness for current and former players, advocating for better league-wide support. Andre Rison has transitioned from a troubled NFL star into a respected voice and a cautionary tale for the next generation of athletes. While his past remains part of his narrative, he is actively using his experiences to educate and inspire, finding a new purpose in sharing his insights and guiding others. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on individuals from high-profile cases and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.